The following video is a Clausen Colchester 17 by 80 lathe. We're going to run a brief video demonstration for you today.
So we pull out the E-stop. Machine is three-phase wiring, of course. 460. Main motor start. Motor comes up, oil pressure comes up, everything looks good that way. I just happen to have it on 115 just to show the threading. So assuming I'm threading, these screws turning, engage. Now there's an interlock between the feed and the threading. You can have it in gear and thread. Comes out nicely. Engages nicely. Got oil. So if I want to go into feed rate, cut the brake. If I want to indicate my part or take that part out or whatever, I hit the brake release and the spindle turns freely. Now the brake's on. So let's ramp it up to, we'll leave it at for range, we'll go 370. Well, maybe we'll just shift it over to 207, just for fun. 207. It's feeding. Stop the lead screw and just run the feed shaft, see? Like selecting the proper position. Some of these are different threading options for metric and what have you. But that position stops the lead screw. There's no sense turning it if you don't need to. Let's go a little quicker here. We'll go up to 495. Get the reading longitudinally. There's your cross. Also reading well. 4-jaw chuck, steady rest. Go to the next gear. .666. Feed. Cross feed out. Longitudinal feed. Change the direction of threading over here on the headstock, so forth, millimeter, inch, 1 through 8 selector, and like I said, the different ranges as well as the lead screw, pitch, metric, inch, what have you. Brake release. This machine is also equipped with an indicating 3-jaw chuck. You can tell by the set screws here and the face screws here, you can get that to run 0. Very nice machine.
Again, the following video is a closing 17 by 80 manual lathe.